Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I'm Thomas and welcome to iPhone for Seniors, a free YouTube series aimed at educating older adults about iPhones. In the past few episodes, we discussed which iPhone is best for you and how you can best protect your iPhone with a case or a screen protector or a warranty. So today we're going to be discussing what do you do once you get your iPhone. You need to set it up and you need to get connected to a cellular network so you can make calls and texts. So today we're going to be discussing all of that, so let's get right into it. Okay, so the first step once you get your phone and it's charged up is to power it on. And on most phones you can do this by pressing and holding the side button, like so. You should get an Apple logo and then your phone should start up. Now the first page you're going to get will look like this and it's going to ask you for your language. So in my case that will be English. Then you'll select your country or region, which in my case is the United States. And you'll get this page that says Quick Start. Now if you already have an iPhone or an iPad, you can just bring it near your new phone and it will automatically help you set it up. But if you don't, then you're going to want to tap this blue text on the bottom of the screen that says Set Up Manually. Next you'll be prompted to connect to the internet. So you'll either choose a Wi-Fi network, or if you don't have one, then you can tap Use cellular instead, but that's only if you have your cellular set up by now. So we're gonna choose a Wi-Fi network by just tapping on it, and then we're gonna enter our password and tap the join button at the top right corner. And now you'll be prompted with this data and privacy screen. So you're gonna tap continue. And then you'll be prompted to either set up Touch ID or Face ID. If you have the iPhone SE, you'll be prompted for Touch ID, in which you will tap Continue. And then you'll be prompted to place your finger. And you can just place it down on this little button. Don't click, just rest your finger. And then it will tell you to remove your finger, place it again, remove it, and remember, and look, if I click, it will tell me touch lightly, depending on your operating system that you're on. And if you do get that pop-up, just tap continue. And simply tap the button and let go, tap the button and let go, tap the button and let go, and continue with this prompt. So if you have a Face ID compatible device, like an iPhone 10 or an iPhone 11, then you'll get a prompt like this. You're just going to click Get Started, and then it will prompt you to stick your face in the frame, which I'm doing right now. Then it will prompt you to move your head slowly to complete the circle, and you'll just follow the arrow, the little blue thing. And once your first scan is complete, you're going to click Continue, and you'll do that step again till the circle is filled up. And then it will tell you Face ID is now set up. Once you're done with that step, you'll be asked to set a passcode, and you can either set a 6-digit passcode by default, or you can tap passcode options and set a 4-digit passcode or a custom passcode. So to set your passcode, you're just going to type in what you want your passcode to be. And if your passcode isn't very secure, it will let you know. But if you want to use that passcode anyway, then you'll just tap Use Anyway. You'll just type it in one more time, and then you'll be prompted with this apps and data screen, in which case, unless you've had an iPhone or an iPad before, you're just going to want to tap Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Next, you'll be prompted for an Apple ID, and here, if you already have an Apple account, you can sign in. If not, you'll tap Forgot Password or Don't Have an Apple ID. You'll tap Create Free Apple ID, and you'll be prompted for your name and birthday. And once you've entered that, you'll just hit Next. And now you'll be prompted for your email address. And after you type it in, you'll tap Next one more time. And you'll be prompted to enter a password. Now your password must be at least 8 characters in length, and it must include a number and both an uppercase and a lowercase letter. Once you've entered it, you'll tap next, and you'll be prompted to either use the current phone number you have set up or add a phone number. So I'm just going to click continue and use my current phone number, and you'll be prompted with these terms and conditions, which you should read and agree to by tapping agree. And then your Apple ID will get set up and you'll have this loading bar. Once everything is loaded up, you'll be prompted with Express settings, at which point you'll just click continue. And you'll be prompted to keep your iPhone up to date and just tap continue one more time. And you'll be prompted to set up Siri, so you'll tap continue. Now you'll be prompted to say the following phrases. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. And you'll tap continue. And you can either tap share audio recordings if you want to share your some of your Siri audio recordings with Apple for them to help improve Siri, or you can tap not now. Now you'll tap set up later, and on the app analytics page just tap share with app developers. Once you see the prompt for True Tone display, just tap continue, and you can choose whether you like a light or a dark appearance and tap continue. And if you have an iPhone SE, it will ask you to choose how you like your home button to feel. So you can click, and if you like the feeling, then you can click next, and if you don't, you can tap a different option and you can click, and if you like the feeling, you can click next, and if you don't, then you can finally tap the third option. And each of these will make your home button click slightly differently. And once you've chosen the one you prefer, you'll tap continue. And you can tap whether you like your display to be zoomed in and bigger, or not, and you'll click continue, and you'll see welcome to iPhone, and you can tap get started. And here we are, our iPhone's all set up. Alright everybody, if you have any questions about that setup process, do not hesitate to contact me in the comments below, and I will reply to try to help you as best as I can. Or if you still need more help, then you can contact Apple support using the link in the description below. Now the next thing to do, once you have your phone all set up, is you're going to need to connect to a cellular network to be able to place calls and use the internet when you're not on your home Wi-Fi network. So to connect to a cellular network, you're going to need to go to a store for your chosen cellular provider, like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, whatever your local good cellular network provider is, wherever you are located at. And basically you'll set up with them, and they'll have you start a plan, and they'll stick a SIM card in your phone, which will allow your phone to connect to their network, and they'll give you a phone number, and they'll handle setting all of that up. Alright guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more iPhone for seniors, please do let me know by hitting the like button. And in the next episode, we'll be discussing how to download apps on your iPhone. So look forward to that. Alright everybody, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video and you learned something, and that you found it easy to follow. And if you have any questions or comments, just let me know in the description below. And I hope you have a great day.